This Sanitaire SC5845D and SL4410A bundle pairs a heavy-duty commercial upright with a lighter professional unit, giving businesses two complementary options for daily and deep cleaning. The larger SC5845D offers a wide cleaning path and strong carpet pickup that has been independently certified, so it handles high-traffic hallways and offices with fewer passes. Its washable high-efficiency filter and sizable dirt container mean less frequent maintenance while still keeping dust and fine particles from recirculating into the air. The SL4410A is noticeably easier to maneuver for quick touch-ups with a narrower head and bagless design that make it well suited to smaller rooms and spot cleaning. A long commercial-grade power cord on the SL4410A allows cleaning large areas without constantly hunting for outlets, which is a real time saver in busy spaces. Both vacuums include onboard tools, extension wands, and stretch hoses, so one bundle can handle floors, corners, upholstery, and above-floor dusting without extra equipment.